Let's see how to set up Deco E4 as a router. Now connect your DC adapter. Then connect the Internet cable between the router and the UNO. This is the optical network unit, ONU. You need to download the TP-Link Deco apps from the Google Play Store. Then you need to create a TP-Link ID. I have already created a TP-Link ID. If you have an IPS connection, select PPPoE connection type. Now you need to enter the username and password, which are provided by the Internet Service Provider, IPS. You can change the Wi-Fi network name if you want. Can you change the Wi-Fi password? Now the TP-Link Deco E4 setup is complete. Now the internet is connected and it is working well.